Welcome to Auto Revolution, where we bring you the most exciting automotive reviews. Today, we dive deep into the latest Tata Safari Plus, an SUV that takes luxury, power, and technology to the next level. If you thought the Safari was already a beast, the Safari Plus is here to redefine expectations. Bold design that commands attention. Tata has taken the iconic Safari's design and enhanced it with even more premium touches. The signature parametric grille, sleek LED DRLs, and the bold new alloys give it an aggressive yet sophisticated look. The aerodynamic silhouette, along with its muscular stance, makes sure that the Safari Plus turns heads wherever it goes. Luxury meets comfort inside. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that exudes elegance. The plush leather seats, expansive panoramic sunroof, and customizable ambient lighting create a premium feel. The best-in-class 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto Apple CarPlay ensures seamless connectivity. The second-row captain seats with enhanced recline make long journeys effortless, while the ventilated seats provide supreme comfort. Unmatched performance power. Under the hood, the 2.0-litre Kryotec diesel engine delivers an impressive 170 PS power and 350 Nm torque, ensuring a thrilling drive. The refined 6-speed automatic transmission and multiple drive modes, Eco, City, and Sport, adapt to every terrain, making it perfect for highways and off-roading. The enhanced suspension tuning ensures a plush ride, even on rough roads. Next-level safety tech. Tata has always prioritized safety, and the Safari Plus is no exception. With a 5-star global NCAP rating, it comes equipped with ADAS Level 2 features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and autonomous emergency braking. The 360-degree camera, 6 airbags, and electronic stability control, escape, make every drive worry-free. Final verdict: a true game-changer. With enhanced features, luxury upgrades, and unbeatable safety, the Tata Safari Plus is the perfect SUV for those who crave adventure with style. Whether you're a city commuter or an off-road enthusiast, this beast has everything you need. If you love cars,